Viral. What's up? What's up, people? Now, my viewers and subscribers, too much negative things are going on in the country right about now. Too much police shooting and all kind of different things are going on in the country right about now, my people. So, I'm bringing some positive things today. Now, we're going to talk about the wheelchair man who determined, say, yo, I'm going to make it in life despite my condition, despite me in my wheelchair, and despite life tough for me. You see me, I say, my people? Now, this brother graduated from Arches NTA, and him receive him certificate in IT, information technology, my viewers and subscribers. Despite the odds, challenges, this someone determined, say, yo, I'm going to make it in life. I'm going to make it in life, and I'm going to make two ends meet, my viewers and subscribers. Big him up. Big up yourself, family. Big up yourself. Despite anything at all, you hold your head high up and you prosper. You see me? Enough get a youth right about now. Sit down pan corner, rub out them and miggle. And I turn cruff. And now there's nothing for elevate themselves. Them never go to school. Them not trying nothing at all more than just determine say, yo, me just want a one phone call. I go up on the ends and mash a work and that's it. This youth, despite any kind of challenges, the man determined say, yo, me happy, make my family and myself proud and thing. And see it there? So, despite living with spastic, cerebral palsy and facing daily mobility challenges, 24-year-old Javan Douglas is proving that determination can push past any obstacle. That is facts, my viewers and subscribers. Javan never have to do this, my people. The man never have to do this. The man could have DM yard and just sit down and just do nothing at all and to themselves say, yo, me sick enough, so me nah make them move and all these things. And you have some man out there, 2 foot, 2 hand, them in a wheelchair. You see me? How them gonna do? Broke bar, broke restaurant. Gonna scam. And when them see Javan on the ends with the money, them want robbing by people. That's all the culture, all the ghetto youth them stay nowadays now, some of the uptown youth them. Them not want to work. Them not have no skill. Them just want to sit down out on your own. So, Javan, despite any kind of challenges, the man go out there. The man go school, go learn, sitting, man go just skill and make sure say, yo, couple years some know him well alright. Him kids them come out alright despite him in a wheelchair. You see me? Determination is a must get a youth. You have to put yourself in a position so people can look for good things someone. Now we are moving on, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now we're going to talk about this Jamaican man who fled custody twice and wanted for murder in St. Lucia. Now, I get to understand, so the man jail in the US. So the man fled custody twice in the people. When you hear that, we so talk about it, but I could so go on the people. Yo, this a brother here. Jamaican, you know? When you see how Jamaican go name ever get called up, people? We name ever get called up, my viewers. One thing in Jamaica, you know, we ever impact the world in a negative and a positive way, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Jaja dog. This man fled custody twice. So the man determined to say, when now I take on myself. And him did take on himself, my viewers and subscribers. Jesus, peace. Trouble there, Jamaica, stop. Now we're gonna talk about that incident, my people. We're gonna talk about that incident, because me I tell you, yo, despite anything at all more time, you have to laugh out certain things. You have to laugh out certain things. Eh? Just imagine the brother here end up in a USA. Him end up in a USA right about now. I know he must have fret right now. Because he must have said to himself to Jesus, Peter, some salt. Me try get to 2 times and them catch me. Might as well you never try get to another time, brother. Better they go and hold your own. Yeah? Better they go and hold your own, people. See me? See the brother here? Have you seen them? Look at them good, my people. Look at them kind of uptown nerd, you know, uptown nerd where nothing at all. You see me, I say? But you look at them, you see all them things, all them qualities, them view. But deep down inside, the brother here charge for knockings, you know. The brother here knock down somebody, you know. Take somebody 3 points, you know. You hear them say, wanted for take somebody 3 points for viewers and subscribe for his. If you understand what I mean, him analyze somebody. And the man take himself twice You see me? And more often know if basically a three country him get himself locked up in a Jamaica, St. Lucia, USA, brother. History you create for yourself, my brother. History. You see me? Just imagine you try to get away and the man more than back pan you right about now. You think you can get away again? You think you can get away to Uncle Sam country? You better think twice, my family. You know what I say? You better think twice. Yeah, badness not pay, my brother. Badness not pay. Yeah. When you feel like say badness pay, when you go up on the ends and make crush a road and get some money and feel like say, yeah man, badness pay? No. It just a temporary time. You live by the gun, you die by the gun, youths and youths. Wise up. Have sense. No man program on you. So hear this now, people. Orville Andrew Purnell, the Jamaican man who fled custody in St. Lucia where he was wanted for murder and also escaped custody while in Jamaica, has been sentenced to federal prison in the United States for possession of firearm by an alien, illegal and unlawful present in the U.S. Purnell Territory of St. Mary, Jamaica was sentenced yesterday by U.S. District Judge Tiffany R. Johnson to 33 months imprisonment. My viewers and subscribers, Jaja. No, sir. Me youth. Then hold on there now. Hold on there now, brother. I mean, if you tell me so now, you left almost two country. You see me, you fled and take away yourself, and the man him catch you. Hmm? You know, see, you're determined to get catch, brother. Eh? The man him get 33 months in a prison, dog. Eh? It's almost 2 years hard, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, yeah, almost 2 years hard, brother. Nearly 3 years you get, brother. Yeah, and if you not behave yourself again and try to fail again, the man go to put on 2, 3 more years on it. Now we're gonna talk about distinguished librarian Dr. Isel Burnett, who dies, should I say, at the age of 102, my people. When you see how far she live, when you see how much years she gone, she's a distinguished librarian doctor, Burnett dies. R.I.P. my family. You know, once you have to do the library, my people, say a straight reading now, say this woman here have done a lot of things for Jamaican, people. And she live tough life, my people. This is what the young people nowadays, them dream of go them age, yeah. But them life how them live right about now, people, I can guarantee them not gonna reach half a fair age for people. You see me, it's a good look. Lady, big up yourself. R.I.P. to you and your family, them. 102 a nice age, the people, because you don't know, say, them woman born back in the day, way back in the Tiggins, man, way back around one corner, my people. So them woman know all kind of history, Them been there done before the world, we know exactly what go on, my people. So big up yourself again, Miss Liberia, should I say, Dr. Hazel Bennett. You see me, I use the foundation for all the librarians them in Jamaica and around the world. You see me? Now, one of Jamaican most distinguished librarian, Dr. Hazel Bennett has died. She passed away yesterday morning at her residence in St. Andrew. She passed away this morning at her St. Andrew residence. She was 102 years old, my people. So you know when I joked in that. Them women have been there and done that. Them women know everything at all about Jamaican. Whether, you know what I mean? She basically could have been anybody mother, great grandmother. See me I say? Yes, man, auntie, niece and nephew, my people. So, you know, we just have to just wish the family all the best in times like these. But all them need to do right now, people. Them need to cry. Just smile because this lady has done a lot of things to Jamaican, She has one out of awards and all kind of things, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? So people, that was about it. Remember we talked about the brother we fed set loose at Jamaica and end up in the USA. Remember we talk about the brother in a wheelchair, despite the challenges, is now a certified IT man. My viewers, I'm out.